How to remove account restriction on Facebook application. For that, first of all, launch your Facebook application. Once you launch your Facebook application, make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, hit on the menu icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, go through your profile and hit on the three lines. From there, select profile status, where you'll find out that your account has been restricted. Now go back to the menu page. There, select setting and privacy and go through your account center and then choose personal details. From here, click on identity confirmation. Here you have to confirm your identity by uploading your government ID card. Once you do that, your age restriction will be removed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.